Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you update or how to software update your Sony Google TV. To update software on Sony Google TV, you simply want to navigate to settings. So press the quick settings button on your remote control, select settings and go to system or device preferences. After which you want to go to about or system update. Choose check for update to initiate the update process. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. And what next you actually want to do is press the quick settings button on your remote control. Select settings, system or device preferences about a system update. And what next you actually want to do is if an update is available, select update now and the TV will download and install the update. Do not interrupt the process, and this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.